Cannabinoids have been used in individual cases for centuries already in the treatment of epilepsy, but it has been only during recent years that high evidence trials have been performed in certain specific epilepsy syndromes, and that CBD, which is cannabidiol, has become a compound which is now available as a medical treatment for some of these diseases. So it's an orphan drug, which is now available for the treatment of Dravet syndrome and of Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. But there's now also very good evidence for using it in tuberous sclerosis, so that we have specific indications now for one of the compounds of the cannabis plant, which is cannabidiol, and that very good evidence that it is really effective and that it's also acceptably tolerated. Well, there is certainly some evidence that the use of cannabidiol is probably not restricted to these specific orphan indications. So there's a number of reports from Italy and also from our center in Freiburg that other patients may also benefit. And I think it would be very much worthwhile extending the range of studies and looking into a more wide application in those patients who don't have sufficient treatment at this time. Another question is about the other compounds of cannabis. So we don't have very good studies on THC, and there's probably also a subgroup of patients who may profit from this, at least from our experience, and where we can probably even use combined effects on spasticity and on epilepsy using this compound in appropriate indications. And there are other compounds like cannabidiol, which are presently being investigated. There have been studies published now, and probably there is more to come in the next future.